Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey, I just wanted to give you guys an update on this most current flip here. We're just about ready to go to market. We should have it listed tomorrow is the hope. So this property I purchased for $200,000. I had to put a new roof on it. You can see the new roof. And of course I painted the exterior, as you can see, and added a little jewel to the driveway. Just kidding. Anyhow. So we got the roof on. We got to get the landscape cleaned up. Those guys are supposed to be here today. We put in new windows and exterior sliding doors. I'll walk you through the inside so you can check that out. Let's see, what else did we do? We painted the inside. We put some new appliances in, put new carpeting in, some mirrors and lights and fans, things like that. So this one, for all of you number buffs, are going to be $200,000 purchase price on this one. My total rehab right now is $18,500. And I am going to list it at $260,000. So after all of my holding costs, title fees, escrow fees, real estate fees, you know, all of that kind of stuff, my projected profit is around $30,000 on this. So we shall see. We're going to market this weekend, so we'll find out. But the market is pretty hot here right now, especially in this kind of price point. So I think I should be able to get that, and who knows, maybe even a bidding war. So this house is actually a little over 1,400 square foot, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. There's another house that listed just one street to the north that's only 1,200 square feet, and they listed at $289,000. Now it is a little bit more upgraded than this particular house, but nonetheless, we'll see how it goes. It is still on the market. It's still active. Talked to the agent yesterday. She said they've gotten lots of activity, but no offers yet. So but nonetheless, that's about $30,000. It's $289,900, I think, is actually what it is. So it's about $30,000 more than what we're going to list this for, and they're 200 square feet smaller. So if that's all correct, then we should potentially get multiple offers, or at least get our asking price, which would be the hope. So as long as we can get the asking price, like I said, it's projected about a $30,000 profit. So let's walk through, check this thing out, so you guys can see. All right, so here is the house. So we painted in here. We actually ended up just leaving this popcorn ceiling just for the cost, trying to keep costs down. And we left this tile floor. We just cleaned it up. As you can see, it turned out nice and clean. It looks almost like new tile, so we just decided to leave it. We did, like I said, put new carpeting in, new ceiling fans. Like I said, all new windows. Pretty much left the bathrooms. We did put a new mirror, a new light in, some new doorknobs. Of course, painted, like I said. We've got some new appliances. We painted the cabinets and put some new handles on them. We did end up just leaving the counters on this one, even though I preach all the time to get rid of those and put granite in, but as you can see, this is a pretty small kitchen, and I really couldn't open it up a lot, so I was just concerned that if I spent the money on, you know, trying to do a new kitchen, a new granite, that I just wouldn't get my money back out of it right now. So this is the part that was added on. It was a long time ago it was added on, prior to me owning it. We did some new tile around the fireplace just to kind of spice it up just a little bit. And like I said, landscapers are coming, so you can see the backyard is still kind of a mess, but we have new sod grass going in there. And of course over here. So all of this will be all new sod grass, and of course they'll get it cleaned up, put a couple new plants in for us. But we've got this nice slab for the RV parking there and the RV gate. Like I said, some new ceiling fans, cleaned up nicely here. And like I said, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, so that was the master we were just in there. Living room. Here's the bedroom number 2. Again, same thing, new windows, new ceiling fans, new paint, new carpet. Here's the bath. So this one, I actually have the guys coming this afternoon, and they're going to re-epoxy this whole tub, so it's all nice and clean and white, so it'll look like brand new. And it's $450. It's already into the budget, so they'll get that done, so it'll look like a brand new bathtub. So that'll definitely help. And then here, of course, is bedroom number 3. So same thing: fan, windows, carpet, paint. So that's all we did here. Like I said, again, carpet tile is in decent shape. Of course, it's not all the new colors, but you know, with keeping my budget low on it, it should help to maximize profit. There's the garage / laundry. Oh, there we go. So we got washer and dryer, and then of course just a 2-car garage here with opener. But again, nonetheless, we will see what happens. But that's the numbers, that's the update on this flip. That's what we did. So just to wrap this video up, I just wanted to tell you guys, you know, again, based on what the market's doing and what's going on and the price point of the house, like this one, we're just leaving this tile here, which is not in bad shape. Again, like I said, we're leaving this kitchen, right? We're gonna leave the kitchen, we just painted it and updated it a little bit. So all of these items are gonna be based on your market. What's going on in your market, the homes that are for sale, the inventory that's there. Like I said, there's only one other house that's listed in this neighborhood right now for $289,900. That's smaller than this. It is updated slightly more, but not a whole lot. So it's $30,000 more. So like I said, I feel like I'm in pretty good shape here. You really got to know your market, like I said, and know what's going on, so you don't overspend or you know, underspend or whatever. So I feel like I'm pretty good with this one. So we did new outlets and switches, just kind of makes it a lot more updated. Yeah, there's some more outlets and stuff. So we did those, and of course we always make sure, here we go, smoke detectors too. So we make sure we put all new smoke detectors in almost every single time. Obviously that's a safety item, so we want to make sure that the buyers are safe. GFCI outlets in the bathrooms, kitchen, all the wet areas that are supposed to be. So we make sure we do that every single time. It makes a good product for the buyer, and it keeps us protected as well as the investors when we sell it, to make sure that all the safety items are in place. Same with the garage door that goes into there. We put the self-closing hinges if it doesn't have them. Make sure it's a fire-rated door. So all of those items we do, and it is done on this house. So like I said, we always do it every single time. But nonetheless, so like I said, this one, $260,000 sales price, should sell pretty quick. Hopefully, yard's gonna be nice. The RV gate and everything is gonna be really nice for people. Of course, all the new windows in the property, new doors for the exterior doors. But yeah, here's the RV gate. Of course, we do not put blinds back in. We keep those clear and open so it's nice and bright. We let the new buyers do that. So don't put blinds back in the properties. I'm sorry about that. Also, refrigerator. So as you can see, kitchen, no refrigerator over my shoulder here. We do not put the refrigerator in, but we do put microwave, stove, and of course, dishwasher. We always put in here too, so new dishwasher as well. So we do always put new appliances in, or make sure that they look brand new. So that's something that we do every single time as well. Again, it's a safety thing. It's also something that people look for. It's a fairly expensive piece that they want to make sure it's done. But like I said, the blinds, we don't put them in. You can see how nice and bright and airy. I have no lights on in this house, except I think I do have the kitchen one on here. That's it. Everything else is off, and you can see how nice and bright this house is. So it'll look good for buyers. So again, hopefully this will help you guys. If you guys have any questions on this flip or any other flips, you guys want any information, you want to start flipping or do any investment stuff, hit me up. There's a free Facebook group in the link below. Hit me up there, or of course comment, and I'd be happy to help you. Of course, my Instagram is in there as well, so you're welcome to hit me up on Instagram anytime as well. I'd be happy to help you. But again, click the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. More videos coming, anything to do with investment, flipping, stuff like that. We're here to help you guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.